Take a chance. Despite the risk involved, she decided to take a chance and start her own business. Get or have a chance to do something. I finally got the chance to travel to Japan, something I've dreamed of for years. Jump at a chance. When offered the lead role in the play, he jumped at a chance, eager to showcase his acting skills. Give somebody a chance. The coach gave the new player a chance to show what he could do in the championship game. Miss a chance. He regretted missing the chance to meet his favorite author at a book signing. Wait for a chance. She waited patiently for a chance to speak up during the meeting and share her innovative ideas. Blow a chance. He blew his chance at promotion by being late to the crucial meeting with the clients. Have or stand a chance of something. Despite the tough competition, she believes she stands a chance of winning the scholarship. Increase the chance of something. Regular exercise and a healthy diet significantly increase the chance of a longer life. Reduce or lessen the chance of something. Installing a security system can greatly reduce the chance of a break-in. Ruin any chance of something. Arriving late to the interview ruined any chance of him getting the job. Better chance. This course gives you a better chance at a career in digital marketing. Equal chance. All candidates will be given an equal chance during the audition. A good chance. There is a good chance he'll come to the party. Every chance. With his talents and dedication, he has every chance of becoming a professional athlete. A slight chance. A slim chance. There is only a slim chance of rain tomorrow. A second chance. Despite the mistakes in his past, he was grateful to receive a second chance at his career. No chance, little chance. There is no chance of winning against them. A 1 in 3 chance, a 1 in 4 chance. Cyclists wearing helmets have a 1 in 8,000 chance of sustaining a serious head injury. A 1 in a million chance. Winning the lottery is like a 1 in a million chance, but I still buy a ticket every week. A 50-50 chance. When it comes to calling the coin toss, you have a 50-50 chance of guessing right. An outside chance. He had an outside chance of finding his lost phone in the park. Somebody's last chance. This exam is his last chance to pass the course and graduate on time.